What if two small cloves could unlock a world of extraordinary transformations within your body? Have you ever wondered what happens when you make this simple daily addition? Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the mysteries of taking two cloves every day, from astonishing benefits to ingenious uses, side effects, and more. Today, we embark on a riveting exploration into the realm of cloves and their profound impact on your body when consumed daily. What happens when you embrace the power of two cloves a day? The answers lie in the astonishing benefits they offer, their versatile uses in culinary delights and therapeutic remedies, as well as essential precautions for a seamless journey to well-being. So, are you ready to embark on a flavorful voyage that transcends your taste buds and ignites your well-being? Let's begin our aromatic adventure into the wonders of two cloves a day. Cloves, nature's tiny treasures. Let's start by understanding what makes cloves so special. These aromatic flower buds, harvested from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have been revered for their medicinal properties for centuries. They are rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. Aiding digestive harmony. Are you tired of dealing with digestive discomfort? Embrace the magic of cloves. By incorporating just two cloves into your daily routine, you can experience improved digestion. Eugenol helps soothe gastrointestinal irritation, alleviates gas, and eases bloating, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease after meals. Balancing blood sugar levels. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, cloves offer a natural solution. Research suggests that the compounds in cloves help regulate blood sugar, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Nurturing a healthy heart. Your heart will certainly appreciate the love you show it by consuming two cloves daily. The antioxidants present in cloves reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in blood vessels, promoting cardiovascular health and possibly lowering the risk of heart disease. Relieving aching joints. If joint pain is slowing you down, two cloves a day provide relief. Cloves' anti-inflammatory properties can help ease discomfort and inflammation in the joints, offering a more comfortable and active lifestyle. A radiant complexion. Your skin can also benefit from the daily dose of cloves. The antioxidants and antibacterial properties in cloves help combat acne and improve skin health. Say hello to a glowing and youthful complexion. Respiratory health. Regular consumption of two cloves promote respiratory health. The antimicrobial properties of cloves help combat respiratory infections and provide relief from symptoms like coughs and congestion. Enhanced brain health. Cloves are rich in antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. This may contribute to better cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Bone health. Cloves contain significant amounts of manganese, which is crucial for maintaining healthy bone structure. Incorporating two cloves daily can contribute to stronger bones and reduce the risk of bone-related issues. Improving sleep. The calming effects of cloves also extend to improving sleep quality. Consuming two cloves daily might help relax the mind and body, leading to more restful nights. Blood circulation. Cloves have been linked to improved blood circulation, which can benefit overall health and contribute to better oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout the body. Consuming two cloves every day is a simple and enjoyable addition to your daily routine. Here are several ways you can incorporate them into your diet. Raw cloves. The most straightforward method is to chew two raw cloves every day. Simply pop the cloves into your mouth, chew them slowly, and swallow. However, keep in mind that the taste might be intense for some people. Infused water. Add two whole cloves to a glass of water and let them infuse for a few hours or overnight. Drink the clove-infused water in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Tea. Brew a cup of clove tea by adding 2 whole cloves to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and then enjoy the soothing and aromatic clove tea. Cloves in cooking. Incorporate 2 cloves into your cooking. You can add them to savory dishes like stews, curries, and rice, or use them in sweet treats like cookies and cakes. Cloves in salad dressing. Create a flavorful salad dressing by adding ground cloves to olive oil, lemon juice, and your choice of herbs and spices. Clove oil. Mix 2 drops of clove essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and use it for oil pulling to promote oral health. Clove capsules or supplements. If you prefer a more convenient option, consider taking clove capsules or supplements that contain the equivalent of 2 cloves per serving. However, consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Potential side effects of taking cloves. While cloves are generally safe to consume in moderation, excessive intake may lead to some side effects in certain individuals. It's important to be mindful of your consumption and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Here are some potential side effects of taking cloves. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to cloves, leading to symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any allergic reactions after consuming cloves, discontinue use immediately and seek medical attention. Gastrointestinal disturbances. Eating too many cloves or consuming them in concentrated forms like essential oils may cause stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea in some individuals. Bleeding disorders. Cloves have natural anticoagulant properties, which means they can thin the blood and potentially interfere with blood clotting. Individuals with bleeding disorders or taking blood-thinning medications should use cloves with caution and consult their doctor. Drug interactions. Cloves may interact with certain medications, such as anticoagulants, diabetes medications, and anticonvulsants. If you are taking any prescription medications, consult your healthcare provider before regularly consuming cloves. Oral irritation. Clove oil or excessive chewing of whole cloves can cause oral irritation, burning sensations, or numbness in the mouth. Liver and kidney damage. In rare cases, very high doses of cloves or prolonged use of concentrated clove supplements may lead to liver or kidney damage. Hypoglycemia. Cloves can lower blood sugar levels, which may be beneficial for people with diabetes. However, excessive consumption without monitoring blood sugar levels lead to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, which can be dangerous. Skin sensitivity. Applying undiluted clove oil directly to the skin causes irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. To avoid these side effects, it's best to consume cloves in moderation, either by using them in culinary dishes or as part of natural remedies. Remember to be consistent with your consumption, and if you experience any adverse reactions or allergies, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. As with any herbal remedy or supplement, individual responses can vary, so it's essential to listen to your body and make informed decisions about your health. This ends our video here. If you found this information enlightening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We would also like you to subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications for future videos. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.